Hello there, this is Rahel from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about how to create an affiliate account with GiddyUp. Before we start, let's talk a bit about them, who they are, what they do. So GiddyUp is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. They provide platforms to affiliates to connect with their brands and promote the product and services of these brands. When affiliates do so and they end up bring sales to these brands, in return, affiliates get commission via the network of GiddyUp. Now, GiddyUp is kind of a different affiliate network compared to the other affiliate networks that we talked about in the channel. From the regards that they are very affiliate oriented, they believe in the success of affiliates. So throughout the journey of the affiliates, let's say whomsoever end up getting accepted into the network, they help the affiliate becoming better. So they help the affiliate in getting more sales, providing more strategic ideas and all that. And when affiliates grow, in a way, they grow. So that's how they believe in. So as I said, it's very exclusive. So they don't end up approving all the affiliates into the network. They only pick the best of the best. That's why I say they're very exclusive. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and create an affiliate account with GiddyUp. But I would not say it a creation of the affiliate account, but rather sending the application to them. In a way, we are initiating the creation of the account, but it's more like an application to them. So how to do that? To do that, you can open any browser on your computer system and then go to the search engine if you don't know their website and just type in GiddyUp, GiddyUp, and you will see the website, which is giddyyup.io. You can click on the website and let's look at the homepage. Now, you will see there is no option for publisher or affiliates. The reason being because they rather call these publishers or affiliates as marketing partners. As I say, they're very exclusive and they believe in affiliates or publisher as their partners, more like marketing partners. So since we are interested in becoming affiliate with them, we should be clicking on marketing partners on the website. Now, this will take us here and 10 times more from your traffic. Now, see the very first sentence here. So let's say if you're earning $20,000 from your current traffic, they kind of help you in getting that to multiply it by 10 times. So that's how they're involved in the success of the affiliates or publishers or marketing partner, whatever you want to call it. Now, if I click on see how it works, it will take me further and I can see all the benefits that an affiliate gets if the affiliates get accepted into their network. So you can click on these things one by one and learn more about it. And as I say, they also give you kind of account manager, more like a partner manager who will kind of assist you throughout your journey as an affiliate with them. Now, if you go a bit down, we will see a button here, apply to be a marketing partner. So that's how we can initiate the creation process of affiliate account with them. So if I click on apply to be a marketing partner, it will take me to this page. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, I can read through it and I can then click on apply to be partner now. But as you can see here, if you're interested in becoming a GiddyUp marketing partner, please provide as much detail on your business as possible so we can properly evaluate if our network will be a good fit for your needs. So this is very important. Whatever information that we are about to fill in, so I suggest while I'm creating an account with them, you follow the same. So it will be helpful for you along the way. In case you have any question, you can just you can watch out how I am doing it, and then you can follow it accordingly. Now, we have to be as detailed as we can, and we have to be as accurate as we can. That's the way to get approval from them. So I can click on apply to be partner now, and perfect. So let's start with your contact information. So we can click on continue. It will ask for the first name. Now, whatever information that I'm going to fill in here, that's just for the educational purpose, so it will not be accurate. But whatever information you will be filling in, I highly recommend that keep it accurate to the best of your knowledge. All right. So first name, John, and then click on next. So just to enter, it will take you to the next question. What's your last name? I'll just go with last name unknown. Enter again. What's your best email address? So I'll just enter my best email address here. And now whatever email address that I'm gonna mention here, I should have access to it because any future communication will come to this email address. So whatever information you're filling in here as your email address, ensure you should have access to it. Then I can click on next. What phone number should we use to contact you? So you can select your country from here, and then you can enter the phone number. Again, for now, I'm just gonna go with a dummy phone number. But in your case, go with the accurate one. Next. What is your messenger name? Skype, Slack, IM. So we have to mention the in this format. It has to be followed by the program name along with our username. So I'll go with Slack and I'll type in my email address. It's basically if they want to reach out to you using any of the messenger, what username should that be using? So you can specify the name of the messenger here and the username in here. All right. Then click on next. Now, next, we will need the mailing address for your business. Please make sure this is 100% accurate. As I said, not just this, any information that you fill in here, keep it 100% accurate. All right, let's click on continue. We have to enter our street address here. Just gonna copy and paste the information here. Next, please add your city, state, and/or region. So I'm gonna go with this as well. And again, click on next, and then the zip code or postal code, and click on next. And finally, please enter your country. So you can write in the country of your residence, and then click on next. Next, we will need some information about your business. So you can click on continue. First, what is the name of your business? So enter the name of your business. Let's say you don't have a business, but you have your own website. So you can mention the name of the website. Now, what if it's not a website? It's a YouTube channel. You can mention the name of your YouTube channel or any social media web page if you plan to promote the product or the brand's product of GiddyUp on that social media page. So I'm just gonna go with all about affiliate marketing and then next. What is the main website URL for all about affiliate marketing? So here it says website URL. It's highly recommended to go with it if you have a website. But what if you don't have a website? It's all right. Even if you have a Facebook page that you think is the best suited platform to promote the product or services of the brands, then you can just put in that URL here. So in our case, I'm just going to go with the test URL. And then next. Now, which type of marketing partner best describes you? So read through it, and whatever is best suited for you, select that. So if you read through this one publisher, we own a publishing website that's great at developing interesting, valuable, and engaging content that helps our loyal audience discover and purchase great products. So you can either select this, whatever you like, whatever suits your business. I'm gonna go with I can pick this or I can pick the influencer one as well. So let's go with influencer. It says I'm an expert with authority and trust in my respective industry. I have loyal followers on social media and I purchase product based on my recommendation. So yes, it seems more suited for my channel. So I'll go with influencer. And then in order to best serve you, we would like to learn a little more about all about affiliate marketing and your business needs. So we can click on continue and we can select the category that describe whatever I had mentioned to my YouTube channel, whatever described there, I can pick from here. I can also go with other, and then I can write. So since I did not have any information in here, so I can click on other and I can type in affiliate marketing or digital marketing, but I'll go with affiliate marketing and I can just click this and then I can go with next. All right, now which social media channels are you the most active on? So I can choose that. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Snapchat, Clubhouse, other. I'll go with YouTube. Now you may wonder, is YouTube a social media? Yes, it's in a way social media platform. I'll go with that. And then next. What is your combined following across all of your major social platform? Now, if you would have ended up selecting publisher option, the option would have been a bit different. But since we have selected influencer, that's why I'm seeing a bit different option. In case of website, it would have been the traffic of the website, but here it's the followers. So I'll go with less than 1,000 followers. Now, what are the majority of your followers located? So I can go with the country. So I'll select, in my case, Asia. Up to you, whatever, like from whatever country you have the most of the followers from, you can select that and then click on next. Now, do you also have an email list of followers or subscriber? Go with yes or no. If yes, then it will ask how many email subscriber do you have. So I'll select between 2000 to 10,000. In your case, just choose the one that you have availability for. Do you also run paid advertising? Now, again, this depends on, let's say if you have a YouTube channel or Facebook page, do you do paid advertising for those social media pages of yours? If yes, go with yes, otherwise go with no. So I'll just go with no. How much are you currently earning from your product recommendations every month? So I can describe. Again, it's up to you. I prefer not to, if you prefer not to share, you can go with it, otherwise you can. But it's better to choose any of these options. It gives them the better idea of how much your current earning is. So just for the educational purpose, I'm gonna go with less than $10,000 a month. Which product opportunities are you most interested in? Now, this is a very interesting question. So they're asking which kind of thing interests me if I end up joining the network. So new product, I love testing new products and opportunities before anyone else. Proven products, I prefer only testing products that have proven to perform well with other influencers. All of them, I would love to run both. So it's better to go with this one. However, if let's say if you have a blog and you only post about the new stuff that are out there, then you might want to go with it. Otherwise, proven product could also be good, but I'll go with all of them and then next again. Thanks for sharing all of that, John. Now, how can GiddyUp best serve you? Now, see, this is very interesting question. I have not seen this kind of question in other affiliate network registration. That's because, as I said, GiddyUp is very affiliate oriented network, and that's why we are seeing even this kind of question. So, how they can serve us? High converting college products. I'm always looking for college products I can test and scale with my audience, higher commission, performance creative, data analysis, and tracking. So you can read through it, and whatever way you want them to help you can go with it. But look at this one, the fourth one, data analysis. Understanding how my traffic is performing once it hits a Giddy up funnel and how I can best optimize my campaign. This is very interesting because they will end up looking at your traffic. If you have followers, they'll end up looking at it. They will kind of guide you how you can improve your traffic to bring more sales to them. So this sounds very interesting. It's up to you if you want to choose other, you can choose. But for now, I'm gonna go with data analysis and then I will click on next. Now, is there anything else you'd like to share with us, John? If not, no worries. Now, don't be lazy here and try to fill in best thing about your business, like, um, you know, when it comes to your business, how exactly you plan to promote the product and services. Basically, talk good things about your business so that it can advocate on your behalf and will end up getting you approval from them. As I say, they're an exclusive network, so it's better the best you describe yourself here, your business, the better chances you have to join the network. So for now, I'm just gonna go with the dummy texture. But in your case, as I say, be careful. Then click on the next button again. Finally, please agree to our terms and condition. So you can click on this link, read the terms and condition, and then click on I accept. Now, boom, we are done. Thanks for taking the time to complete this application. Before you go, we would love to know how you heard about GiddyUp. So we can select any of this. Well, if you don't remember, just go with I don't remember. Otherwise, put other or just go with online via Google or social media since you're hearing it on YouTube. So you can go with this one. All right, submit my application now. You see, it got submitted. So our application to join the network has been submitted, and we can see we normally review applications within 5 business days. If you believe GiddyUp is a good potential partner for your business, we will reach out to you as said by the email and or phone number you provided. That's why I said to ensure to provide the right email address and the right email address and the phone number so that they can get in touch with you. Also, the messenger ID as well, and just give them five business days, so like a week to review and get back to you. and be positive. Even if they don't get back to you, it's fine. You can work on yourself and probably apply to them again in the future. You still have that option, isn't it? Now, what if it's been 10 days and you haven't heard from them and you want to inquire with them, or even if you have received the approval, but you have any question and you want to get in touch with them? So the question is, how do you get in touch with them? To do that, you can go to their website again, which is GiddyUp.io. And in here, you can click on Contact Us from the top right hand side, and you can go down where it says Know Who You Need. So in here, there's a support email address. You have an option to always drop an email to them at this email address, or you can also just fill up this form by entering your information and your inquiry and send a message, and they'll get it. They'll get back to you most probably via email. So that's how you can reach out to them. Now, I hope this video helped you in initiating your publisher account process with GiddyUp, and I wish you all the very best to get approval from them. And any questions that you may have related to GiddyUp affiliate account or affiliate marketing in general, do let me know in the comment section so that I'll try my best to address them. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon so that any video that I create, you get notified of the same. Thank you and have a great day.